Hello there, I am Okrobia Media, and Okrobia Media, I am on YouTube. I have a lot of videos, most educative ones are there. I have sportsmen, I have interviews with them, and many more. Please visit Okrobia Media on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much. Alright, so today I decided to show you one of the most beautiful train stations in the world. Here is Antwerpen train station in Belgium. This train station is very, very beautiful. So before then, I just want to show you around, or just to show you things before I take you in. Here is the in front of the train station. You see this building over there? This building is not a castle, it's not a palace, it's just a train station. Very beautiful one. So you just relax and enjoy the video. Soon I will take you in to see it yourself. Are you ready? So let's go. I'll take you in to see the beauty of this train station. Right, here we are. Here is the inside of the building you saw. So you see the way they built this train station, here is always busy. You see a lot of people coming in, take pictures, making videos, because it marvels them how they're able to build this as a train station. Inside here, you can take your information, any information you need. You go, you ask, they'll give you. See the building, look around, nicely, very nicely. So this area, you can buy your ticket. If you're in a hurry, they have automatic ones, you can buy it yourself. If you like to join the queue, you can just take it also as well. You see them, they are taking their ticket and go to your destination. But before that, I cannot just show you the train station without give you the historic background of this train station. So this train station was constructed between the year 1895 and 1905. So approximately it took them 10 years to build this part of the train station. When they built this part of the train station, it had only 8 platforms. 8 platforms where you can pass and go to your destination. When you buy the ticket, you take on these stairs and go up there to take your train, because before it was only the very upstairs of the train station that you can take a train from there. That 8 platforms. And then later they decided to renovate it. So they began to renovate this also by the year 2000 to 2009. Then they renovated this train station. As I'm talking to you now, this train station is having 24 platforms. See, this is the very up I'm talking about. The platforms here, they are up here. And they have 4 floors. 4. This is the very upstairs of it. 4 floors. So from here, you go straight downwards also, floors. That's not all. They have shops inside, shops and restaurants inside. Indeed, this train station is very beautiful. Very soon, I will stop talking. I will just stop talking and just allow you to enjoy the beauty of it. See all the platforms, see everything that you need to see. But man, don't forget, when you go to YouTube, subscribe to Okrobia Media. I have more things coming. Don't forget to share. Help to improve this channel. I have a lot of things to give it for you to see. Thank you so much and enjoy your video. Here's only the up. Very soon I'll take you down. You see the rest of yourself. Thank you so much.